new technology defines the future of mankind. Every great innovation redefines a new era. We develop infinite reverie for the future through tools, empower intelligent manufacturing with technology, speed up the evolution of the worldwide economy. Within more than 6 decades of passionate entrepreneurship, Yawei Machine Tool Company Limited continues to push the boundaries of technology. We focus on the upgrading of intelligent manufacturing, create a 2+1+1 business ecological model, and tailor for customers with their every need considered. More sophisticated and efficient intelligent equipment and services. Sheet metal machine tools and automation equipment, metal material laser processing equipment, presses and automation, high-precision laser processing equipment, semiconductor testing and cleaning equipment, intelligent manufacturing services, new materials and other flexible and high-efficiency intelligent equipment and services. In order to provide premium products and services, we follow the idea of intelligence throughout all stages of production and operation, including design, management, manufacturing, and service. R&D platform system laid out with a global perspective, combined with advanced digital design tools, enable us to offer the flexibility to respond to market demands and to develop industry-leading products. We utilize the resource planning management system as the basis of our production. Integrate various resources within the company, maximizing input from all our skilled employees. Provide a solid platform for decision-making concerning enterprise operation and management. With MES, WMS, SCADA, and other information systems integrated, we build up an intelligent manufacturing platform, which maximizes the effectiveness of high-precision production testing equipment, realize multi-system data interaction, and introduce a diversified and transparent production model, thus guaranteeing an efficient and high-quality production. Listen attentively and serve thoughtfully. Localized, efficient technical support, offering minimal downtime, is Yawei's service philosophy. The global marketing and service network combined with Yawei's Ziyun industrial internet platform realizes the monitoring and analysis of the operational status of machine tools and provides predictive services for machine tool health. Applying the new generation information technologies such as 5G and AR, we make it possible to conduct remote maintenance and system upgrade of machine tools. Yawei Machine Tool Company Limited takes the initiative to integrate into manufacturing power strategy, strives to create unlimited new standards, and makes one miracle come up after another. We inject intelligence into equipment, speed up the integrated development of smart manufacturing and Internet Plus, and take the lead in the industry to integrate hardware plus software plus clouding plus integration plus consulting, thus acquiring the well-rounded capabilities for intelligent manufacturing service. In the future, we will offer the innovation to allow our customers to continue to grow and expand their horizons. Purvey for our customers the most fitting, well-tailored, intelligent manufacturing solutions, and be acknowledged as the world-class, high-end equipment and intelligent manufacturing solution provider. Jiangsu Yawei Machine Tool Company Limited.